Hi there, Mike from Pioneer Packaging here, and I'm excited to guide you through the 6 essential steps to enhance your stretch wrapping technique and get the most out of your machines. Step 1 is choosing the right machine. Your machine type plays a significant role in your wrapping process. Decide between semi-automatic and fully automatic stretch wrappers based on your business's output. Semi-automatic machines require human intervention, while automatic machines are better for higher output volumes. Step 2 is maintaining your stretch wrappers. Routine maintenance is necessary for keeping your machines in excellent condition. Clean the machine regularly and check rotating mechanisms and grease points for optimal performance. Step 3 is choosing the best stretch film. Selecting the right film type and thickness is critical for effective stretch wrapping and plays a crucial role in effective wrapping. High-quality films are the best choice, providing excellent protection against damage. Low-quality films may have an enticing price point, but they don't run, wrap, or protect as well as high-quality films and will cost you more in the long run. Step 4 is applying proper containment force. Containment force maintains your pallet loads and minimizes damage. Measure it accurately at multiple points and use recommendation charts to ensure you're using the correct force for your pallet load. Step 5 is using correct load locking techniques. Employ the correct load locking techniques, avoiding wrapping the load to the bottom of the pallet. It will prevent issues when using pallet jacks or forklifts. Secure your loads to the pallet by creating a cable with the last bit of stretch wrap and driving it below the top deck boards. This prevents pallet jacks and forklifts from piercing the film rope. Step 6 is checking for film trails. Avoid any accidents or damages to the load and warehouse equipment by ensuring no hanging film tails are present. Tuck them in or remove them before removing the load. There you have it. Those are the 6 essential steps to enhance your stretch wrapping technique and get the most out of your machines with optimum efficiency. If you have questions or would like deeper insights into how you could take further advantage of modernized and enhanced stretch wrapping technology, please don't hesitate to give me a call today for a free consultation.